Hello everyone, today I came up with another toy for reviewing. So let's open and see what's inside. Before opening, please subscribe to my channel, like, share and comment. So let's open and see. So you can see this is a huge car. Let's open what's inside. So this is a drifting car, drive and rider, you can see. So this is what the packaging looks like. It's a F1 rider car. This is a drive and drift car. So if you like drifting car, this is the best option for you. So you can see this is the package. Here in the package it is written as F1 rider, drive and drift like a pro, forward and backward, turn left and right, shock absorber system, strong motor power, high speed drift. These are the features that this particular car have. Here you can see this side it is written as 1:18 scale. That means this car is 18 times smaller than the original drifting car, real one, and it has 2.4 GHG control and oversized tires. So it is due to the oversized tires, this is the best for the drifting. So let's see what's more is there. So I have chosen the color orange. There are more color. I have ordered it from Flipkart, so you can check the color and select what you like. So at the back side or bottom you can see there are some instructions given about the battery cautions, that what are the cautions you need to take for the battery. Here are the instructions given for the remote control. So you can see the remote control looks like a trigger, and here are the color options, what color you want. So I have choose the orange one. There are yellow also and blue. These are the, and here are the instructions given to set up the battery for the car. So at the box you can see the price is 1699, but I got in a amazing offer from Flipkart at around 950 to 1000 I got it. I forgot exactly what was the price. So these are the some informations given about the car. Okay, so let's open and see what's inside. So let's see. So here it is. You can see this look. The car have an amazing look, racing cars look. So you can see this looks really good and fascinating at the same time. The packaging also, it's given like a real rider only. So this car came with this remote control. So let's open it and see what's there. So here let's open it. So you can see this is the remote control. It looks very nice. This is the trigger, and here is the LED light. This is the controller. This is what the car looks like. So this came with the charger cable, charging cable, you can see, and this is to charge the battery. Here at the bottom you can see there is a space for battery which is well secured, and you can see this is the thing. The tires are quite big and it has soft rubber for smooth drifting and driving. It has spring also. If you can see here there are 4 springs. That's why it is shock absorbent. Means if it falls from the height also, nothing will happen to it. The car will not break. But the top material is plastic. So it's a very what to say, not that good quality plastic. So it's very thin, it's not metal, but the tires and the lower part is heavy. So this is what the car looks like. So here it is written as Reaper. So before testing and driving it, I have to charge the battery with this cable. So let's charge it first, then I will show you and test it outside. So I have already charged the battery. So the battery was here, this, so it was secured with this. So let's fix the battery and show you how to fix it. Just press it and open. So here you can see. So then this battery you need to fix here. This way, and done. This way you have to secure it. So you have to press a little bit, then secure it with the screw. And it is done. So let's test it and show you. So for the remote control, we need 2 AA battery. I have already put the battery. You can see this packet didn't come with any battery for the remote control. So I have already fixed. So this is the thing. So I have already charged and fixed the battery at the remote. So at the bottom here you can see there is on and off button, this one. So here it's off and it is on. Before testing you need to on it. So let's see. I have so you can see I have testing at my table, on my table. So it's very fast. You just need to slightly press this and it will go back and forward. So you can see, and this is to go left and right, the front wheel. So let's test outdoor and see how does it work. So this car's look is amazing and it moves very fast, as you have seen. The only problem is that the material of the plastic, it is very cheap material and it is very light. Other than that, it is very good and it runs very fast and it's very fun to play with. So with this I end my video today. So please like, share and subscribe to my channel and comment down and give me feedback. How do you like by video. Thank you.